fractions decimals. Here fractions are there. Simplify addition and subtraction, how to do it. This is exercise 1 from chapter 2. Here 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4, how to do it? Here 2 is it is a fraction. To make it fraction, 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Now LCM of 1 comma 4. LCM of 1 comma 4 is 4. So okay, now these two denominators make it equal denominators. These two fractions make it equal fractions. So 2 by 1 into 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 2 4s are 8 by 4 plus 3 by 4. This is right as 8 plus 3 by 4. 11 by 4. It is easy to do it. Next, second question. Here LCM. LCM of 9 comma 3. 3 3s are 9. So LCM is 9. Now make the equal denominators. That is 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. 3 make it equal to 9 into 3. So 3 by 3. 7 by 9 plus 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 7 plus 3 by 9. 7 plus 3 value 10. 10 by 9. Similarly, this is the third question. Here 1 by 1 LCM is 7. Now how to make into 7 by 7? 1 into 7 by 7 minus 4 by 7. Now both are equal denominators. 7 by 7 minus 4 by 7. That is right as 7 minus 4 by 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 by 7. Okay. Here fourth question. 2 and 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Mixed fraction change into improper. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2. 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Both make them equal denominators. Now LCM of 3 comma 2. 3 2s are 6 is the LCM. Now it is right as 8 by 3 into 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 3. 8 2s are 16. 3 2s are 6 plus 3 1s are 3. 2 3s are 6. That is right as 16 plus 3 by 6. 19 by 6. So that is also right as 6 3s are 18. Remaining 1. 1 by 6. 3 and 1 by 6 converted into mixed fraction. Now here 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Here LCM of 8 comma 6 is 24. Now take LCM for 8 3s are 5 by 8 into 3 by 3 minus 1 by 6 into 4 by 4. Make them equal denominators. Make them equal denominators. Now 5 3s are 15. 8 3s are 24. 4 1s are 4. 6 4s are 24. Now 15 minus 4 by 24. That is right as 11 by 24. Okay. Next, now second question. Here mixed fraction change into improper fractions. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2. 8. 8 by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1. 7 by 2. Now LCM of 3 comma 2. 3 to LCM is 3 2s are 6. There is no common factor. That's why. So 8 by 3 into 2 by 2. 7 by 2 into 3 by 3. 8 2s are 16. 3 2s are 6. 7 3s are 21. 2 3s are 6. 16 plus 21 by 6. This is 37 by 6. Okay. Now, here three fractions are given. Write in ascending order. Ascending order or descending order. First make them equal denominators, means like fractions. Anyway, LCM of 8 6 8 comma 6 and 2 please. So 8, 6, 2. Take LCM. 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24 is the LCM. LCM is 24. Now 5 by 8 into 8 3s are 24. Next 5 by 6 into 4 by 4. 1 by 2 into 2 12s are 12 by 12. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now make it in order, ascending order. Ascending order. What is the small first? 12 by 24, 15 by 24, 20 by 24. What is called 12 by 24? 1 by 2. 15 by 24 means 5 by 8 and 5 by 6. They are ascending order now. Now descending order. Anyway, descending order means reverse order. Next, let us see next question. LCM of 5 comma 3 and 10 is 3 5 10. 5 3 5 6 are 3 10s are 30. 30 is the LCM. Okay, now 2 by 5 into 6 by 6. 5 6 are 1 by 3 into 10 by 10. 3 by 10 into 3 by 3. Okay, anyway, 2 6 are 12. 5 6 are 30. 10 by 30. 3 3s are 9 by 30. Now ascending order. So now small 9 by 30, 10 by 30 and 12 by 30. Now what is the 9 by 30 means 3 by 10. 10 by 30 means 1 by 3 and 12 by 30 means 2 by 5. So this is ascending order of the fractions. Okay.